You're welcome to another inspiring edition of NL Motivation brought to you by NL TV. I'm Specs, and as always, I'm here to get you started and keep you going. Yeah. All right, so today I'll be discussing to you 10 steps that would help you make your dreams come true. Yes, 10 steps will make you make your dream come true. So the number one step for making your dream come true is decide what your dream is. What is your dream? You need to know, don't beat around the bush. Nobody say you just paint different pictures. I understand, say we all like to exaggerate. I understand we can paint different pictures. But now, what is your vision? If they ask you what's your vision, what are you gonna, that one thing you think about, straight up say, okay, this is my vision. That should be your dream. So once you have your dream, that's the first step. What is your dream? Once you have the answer to that question, you're one step ahead, all right? So decide what your dream is, okay? So number two step is build a plan. Yes, you need to have a plan because a dream is just a dream. Dream not just dream, except say you set goal, and the goal is a plan with a deadline. Okay, so build a plan. Tell yourself, okay, in 3 weeks, this is what I want to achieve, and this is how I plan to go about it. So you break it down in steps, like build a plan that this is what I want to do, and in 6 months, this is what I want to do. All right, in 3 months from now, this is what I want to do. In 1 year from now, this is what I want to do, and this is how I want to go about it. No need to this paint pictures. Just go straight to the point. Break them down to plans where you want to achieve. Then the number 3 step is be positive. All right, I understand, say lots of dreams, lots of things that we imagine, they come with fear. With the reason say I won't take exam, if the reason say I won't get investor, your reason say I won't face that project, the reason a whole lot of things that we say will discourage you. But the number 3 step to making your dream come true now, you guys stay positive. Like I tell you before, if you don't see it, you cannot achieve it. If you don't see that dream, nobody else is gonna see it, because then how would you paint the picture to somebody else when you yourself, you don't even see the picture? So the number 3 step is be positive. Number 4 step is do the work. Okay, yes, you've made plans. Yes, you already know what your dream is. Yes, you've built a plan. Yes, you're now positive, but all this cannot come to pass if you don't put in that work. All those breakdowns you've done, that this is what I want to do in this particular time. All right, so now do those work that you need to do. No procrastination, no tomorrow. Do them today. All those deadlines you've set for yourself that you want to achieve. Yes, sometimes we feel no meet up the deadline, but at least better make say you did an hour late than you did 3 years late. You know, understand? All right, so do the work. Then the number 5 step is praise the progress. All right, so when you hit the new milestone, when you achieve something new in your career path, when you do something that you know, okay, yes, this is one thing one level I wanted to cross, instead of saying, there's so many levels ahead of me, get so many things that I still want to do, that particular level of milestone you just hit, praise yourself about it. You know, you could even take yourself out, give yourself a treat, encourage yourself that yes, I did good and I can do better. All right, so praise yourself. That's the number 5th step. When you get to a new level, tell yourself, whoa, I did great, whoa, I can do better. All right. Then the number 6 step is do not do it alone. Yes, no man is an island. They keep saying that over and over again. You've heard it. You ought to have sunk in your head, because we can achieve so little when we do it alone, but we can achieve so much when we do it together. All right, so do not do it alone. Guess what? Good relationships really help. So build a good relationship. That good relationship should involve people that you know are moving in the same direction as you. There's a saying that if you're the best in your circle, then you need to switch to a new circle. Yes, you cannot be the best in your circle. That's not good for you. It's not healthy. So go to a new circle where you feel more challenged. You feel there's more competition. People are encouraging you to do better. So build that relationship. Do not do it alone, and get the mentor. Person we don't date there before you sabi the levels, all the things where they go through now. Person we don't date there before you sabi them. So get somebody that's going to hold you accountable. Say, oh, that task you wanted to do, you didn't do it. That thing you needed to do, why didn't you do it? When are you going to have it done? So get somebody that's going to have you accountable. Don't get somebody that just tells you what you want to hear. You have to get somebody that's going to tell you what you need to hear. So the number 7 step is stay committed. I understand. Now small, they build mansion. And when they lay first block, they lay second one, foundation on set, they'll come build mansion. So whatever you're doing, I know it's taking too long. I understand. But you see, every successful man you know today, he was committed. He or she was committed to that thing that they believed in. So commitment really matters. So you have to stay committed to that thing. Okay, now you've set up the dream, you've been putting work, slowly everything is growing. It's good because it's gonna take months, it could take years, it could take 10 years, for that dream to play out. But are you gonna be committed to keep your mind in that check that yes, this is what I want and this is how I'm gonna keep going about it. So stay committed. All right, and like I told you, with commitment brings good relationship, and good relationship brings connection because they've seen you doing a whole lot of times, and yes, they want to work with you because they know that you've been doing it for years. You have experience because you're committed. All right. So the number 8 step is be hungry. Yes, hunger is the foundation of creativity. Once you are hungry, it inspires you to want to just get to the task, just do it. You know, all those times when you stood back, when there was like basically you don't even get anything for hand, but you just reviewing that project every day, every night. You're just putting work into that project because you wanted to see the light of it. So now when you hit that other milestone, when you've grown past that level of, say, start beginner stage or an intermediate stage, another phase of your career, don't get comfortable. Don't sit down on that comfortable chair like, I don't reach this phase. No, you gotta be hungry. All right, be hungry like, my mouth wide open. You wanna eat something. So that way your creativity is on check because you are hungry for it. So keep going with that power. Be hungry. Then the number 9 step is learn from mistakes. Yes, mistakes, see mistakes as a motivation. See them as an avenue to learn. Because if you do not fail, I swear there's so many things that you cannot learn if you do not fail. Because then you see there's so many what not to do that you would have learned. Alright, so whenever you make a mistake, just look at it, don't look at it like, why did I make this mistake? And you keep hitting yourself about it, just wound yourself. No, you have to encourage yourself from that mistake. Okay, where did I go wrong? This is where I went wrong. So how can I do better? So learn from mistakes. So then you have more experience, more knowledge that, okay, I'm going this part and I ought not to go here because I made a mistake there and I learned from it. So I need to go here. So it makes you more productive. Okay? So the number 10 step, which is the final step, is release fear. See fear as a motivation. I know say all of us they fear how we want to do am. This dream, which day go pay, which day I go blow. I don't date like upcoming scenes. My mates they don't already they drive big cars. They don't already I reach great heights of progress. I mean I see they on the low. Investments they go on the ground every day. People they do new things. But me I see they this level. I which day I won't reach all this kind of thing. Man, I'm not sure say I won't take that risk again. I'm not sure say I can do this thing. All those fear of the unknown, fear of failure, see it as a motivation. Release it. Let it even bring in good energy to you. Okay, since I'm scared of this, then I want to do it. Take risk, all right? Go eyeball to eyeball, face your fears. That way, your dream, there's no... See, the main thing about life is say, if you know Siam, person will be Siam for you. So you have to see that, okay, it's possible. Impossibility, because check it out. Like, I don't need it, man. See no fear, all right? So release your fear and go with that positive energy. So if you follow these 10 steps, if you follow these 10 steps that I just told you about, your dreams are going to come true. That is definitely. And you know what? Every single thing you do slowly becomes a habit, and slowly from a habit becomes a character. So it builds you slowly. All right? So you know we're never going back. We're always going forward and forward. So that's it. That's how we do it all day, every day. Stay positive, stay focused, keep your eyes on the vision. You know as they be now. Nobody feels the dream if you know Siam. All right? So till we meet again, this episode of NL Motivation just came to an end. So till we see again next time, stay positive and go to all social media platforms. You know, follow, like, subscribe, click that YouTube link, click it, yes, and subscribe to more inspiring motivational contents like this. You know, we got you covered 100. So stay positive, all right?